What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to open a trading account. Yes, how to open a trading account. Yes, first we are going to head to this website. The link is there in this video down. Yes, the website is called xm.com, but you can click the link on this video. Yes, so when we open that website, we go to get started. Click get started. Yes, get started. So get started here, put your country of residence, where you stay now. Yes, the ID you have, the national ID or the resident ID you have. So you put your country of residence. For example, me, I'm in the United Arab Emirates, so that's my country of residence. So if you are in any country, Africa, all countries are there. Some countries are not there, but few. For example, USA is not there, Canada is not there. Yes, but most countries are there. So put your email and then put your password. Here, partner code, put my partner code. It's there. The link is there for the partner code, but better just use the link in the bio. You don't have to put the partner code again. Yes, put my partner code. When you use this partner code, you'll get some bonus. For example, 100% deposit. Yes, here, after you open the account, it will come like this. You need to verify your account. You need to put the national ID, upload your national ID, or your passport, or your driving license. Then proof of residence, either you put utility bill, bank statement, phone bill, gas bill, internet. They just want to know, are you a genuine person? Because this is money involved, to avoid money laundering. Yes. So it's by the law. They have to collect this information because you're going to use money. Yes, that's it, guys. Yes, see you in another video.